अभी बज रहे हैं सुबह के 7:30. I woke up. I did it, bro. I did it. Hello. Hi. Namaste. Good morning, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and safe. Welcome back to my channel. And welcome back to my channel and hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and safe. So as you guys saw that I woke up at 7:30 in the morning. Yes, 7:30. I think many of you guys will say what 7:30 is alright. It's not that much morning that you can't wake up. But for me, it was quite hard. After trying for 2-3 days, I at last woke up at 7:30. I'm not a kind of guy who wakes up early, but sometimes situations make us do certain things which we have never done earlier. So for me, the situation was like this. After our school started, we started getting assignments. Yes, assignments, and that is the main reason for waking up early. So I thought um, to give some more time to my assignments, why not wake up early and study? So I thought to wake up early and study for an hour, yes, max. Because during the morning our mind stays fresh and we get we retain things easily. So I thought to do the studies in the morning and so that I could get some more time to complete my assignments and submit them on time to the school. Yes, I get super late every time to submit those assignments. Yes, this was my reason to wake up early. Yeah, I just splashed some water on my face because I was feeling super sleepy. I'm sleepy still now, but it's better. So I'll just use this time productively as I woke up for the first time and doing nothing will make me feel that it was a wastage of time. So I'll just use this time in doing some of my studies and it will be max for an hour or 1.5 as because I'll be having my online classes from 10. So let's catch up after I finish. So guys, I used my time quite productively. I was feeling sleepy at the first few minutes, but after that, I was quite energetic. And after I got the cup of coffee, it was amazing. So now my classes are going to begin, and we'll meet after the class ends at about 1:40. Yes. Between that, should I talk to you when I'll be doing my breakfast? I don't think so that will be a good idea. So we'll meet after the class ends. Yeah. So classes khatam. Bye bye. Tata. Goodbye. And now my head has already started aching. इतनी देर तक क्लास करने से यही होता है, सुबह शाम हरे राम. So whatever. Now I'll be just taking shower and having my lunch. और फिर उसके बाद मिलते हैं. हाँ मिलेंगे ज़रूर. हाँ फिर मैं I have just received a parcel which I had ordered last week, which has at last arrived. I'll be just opening it up. I think that's my new jeans which I had ordered. So I'll just wear it, check it. After that I'll take shower, eat my lunch, and then we'll meet. Yes. too hot, man. It's damn hot. As you guys know, I don't have a good mic, so I need to turn off my fan so the audio quality gets better. And today, as I did it, I started sweating like, yes, you heard that right. So I turned on my AC, which I do occasionally, and that's the thing. That is what I needed to say. So as I told you guys, I have returned after taking my lunch. The lunch was heavy, boss. Uff. And I am just feeling too sleepy and I want to take a nap. Uh, the thing is that, as I already told you, I am having a little headache as because of the online classes. I need to continuously stare at those big screens. Whatever, I will have my fruits right now, and after that I'll listen to some good lofi music. Yes, those lofi musics have taken my mind and it has literally blown my mind off, and it has taken music to another level. I earlier listened to Hindi music about 1% out of 100, but now because of this lofi, what do you say, lofi mode, I don't know what is the proper word for that. So lofi mode, the songs are becoming damn good. Anyways, so I'll just take a nap and then I'll meet after I wake up from sleep. Yes, that's the correct sentence, I guess so. So let me sleep. Yes, I need a proper sleep. Bye. अभी बज रहे 5:40 and I just woke up after taking a 2-hour nap. The nap is, bro, so effective. My headache just passed away from my body and I'm feeling so much fresh and better. Now I think I should go to the terrace and spend some time. Let me take you also there too. Let's go. So I'm in my terrace and अभी मेरे को थोड़ा सा शाई लग रहा है क्योंकि बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम टेकिंग माई कैमरा आउटसाइड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. मोबाइल तो बहुत बार लेके गया हूँ, लेकिन ये सब इतना ट्राईपॉड वाईपॉड लेके हाथ में पहली बार वापस बाहर निकला हूँ. तो लिटिल बिट शाई, लेकिन कुछ भी हो. First, let me give you a view of the whole area from my terrace, and then we'll do something. And if you don't want to see the view from the terrace, I'll make you see. You will need to see this. Yes, so watch it. So I hope you guys liked the shots which I took. This place is really beautiful and the camera will not do any justice, but I tried my best to show you guys the beauty of this area. Before 2020 I hardly used to come to the terrace, but after the lockdown took place, everybody started going to the terrace, and I too did that, and I think that was a very good idea. The freshness, the beauty, the peace of mind that you get here, you will get nowhere else. I come here basically to enjoy some time alone, to see the beauty of this place, and I really relish this area. So anyways guys, I'll enjoy some more time here and listen to some music. I said I love lofi music right now, so I'll be listening to it, and you guys enjoy this place. It's 6:40 in my watch, and I just came down from the terrace. It's getting dark outside, so I thought to come down, and I won't be making this video more longer, but I want to share something with you guys. This week I watched a movie named Sonar Kella. Many of you guys know about this movie, many of you guys don't. It was directed and written by the legend Satyajit Ray. The movie is so fantastic. It's a detective movie basically. Many of you guys have heard about the book series called Feluda. It's a very famous book series in us Bengalis, and this movie was the first Feluda movie, I think so. I don't have so much information, but I watched the movie many times, but I couldn't finish it. But this time I finished it totally, and the movie was, yes, it was. There is no other description to this movie. Watch this movie and comment me how this movie goes. I would like my non-Bengali friends too to watch this using subtitles. This movie goes so well. The storyline is awesome, and when you guys will watch it, you guys will be just mesmerized. Now people use so many cinematography tools, VFX stuff. At that time they only used camera and natural lighting. They didn't use, I think, artificial lights too. So I think you should watch the movie once. If you don't watch this, you are gonna miss something big. I am a movie guy. I watch a lot of movies, but this movie just took my mind to another level. So I'll not make it longer. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I know all of you are gonna like this video. Share it with your family members and friends, and comment me in the comment section how many of you guys have already watched this film. So this was it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.